After completing Module 3 and 4, I want to take a moment to go over some of the key ideas and routines from both modules. The key ideas for Module 3 are students learn best and retain what they learn better by solving problems. A problem-based curriculum prioritizes students spending time in math class engaged in doing mathematics. The curriculum includes embedded supports to help in implementing problem-based learning. A teacher's belief in themselves and their belief in what students can do influences planning, which results in teacher actions that create student learning experiences. The key ideas for Module 4 are mathematical discourse is essential for meaningful learning of mathematics. CMS envisions mathematical discourse as central to the student experience. Routines support the teacher in facilitating and students engaging in mathematical discussions. The 5 practices are embedded into activities to support teachers in facilitating productive mathematical discussions. There are key routines and structures found throughout the curriculum that are important to emphasize. First off, the instructional routines, which provide structures that help strengthen students' skills in communicating their mathematical ideas, ability to make sense of mathematical and contextual language. These are the icons you will see for each mathematical routine. And these follow through whether it be Foundations of Math 1, Math 2, or Math 3. The icons are consistent throughout all courses. The first time an instructional routine appears in an odd numbered unit, you will find a what and a why box to provide the basics for what the routine is and why it is used. A list of routines can be found at the beginning of each unit. Here's an example looking at the round robin routine. This is what you would see at the beginning when this first appears. So you have the what is the routine and the why is the routine. Every additional appearance of a routine throughout a unit or a book will only have the why the routine is used. In Module 4, you look deeply at the 5 practices for orchestrating productive mathematics discussions. These 5 practices are anticipating, monitoring, selecting, sequencing, and connecting. We're going to take a look at how and where these practices are embedded throughout the CMS math curriculum to help support teachers in facilitating productive math discourse. One place we see this is the monitoring tips. You will see the monitoring tip always denoted with the yellow M. And the purpose of the monitoring tip includes anticipated responses to monitor for and possible sequences to follow. You will also have discussion guidance, and it will actually be marked as discuss. These may also include a sequence to follow, along with ways to connect the responses together. Advancing student thinking will be outlined with a purple box, as you see here. And this anticipates where students may have trouble and suggests purposeful questions or prompts to move their thinking forward. Another place in the CMS curriculum where you can see support for discourse are the responsive strategies. And these are always in a purple box throughout the teacher materials. And these are suggestions of additional supports based on student needs. These may be used for individual students, a small group of students, or sometimes it may be something that's used for the entire class.